Well, welcome back, my friends. All right, today we're talking winter and Christmas safety because nothing ruins a holiday magic faster than a blown fuse, frozen pipes, or a Christmas tree that decides to reenact fire starter. Not on my watch. Not on my watch. All right, let's keep your home merry, bright, and in one piece. All right, so what we're going to start off with some winter home safety basics before we deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. Let's talk winter basics, the stuff that keeps your home from turning into a complete icebox. And yes, I have seen homes that have been ice boxes. Check your furnace. If it makes noises like it's starring in a haunted house, let's get it serviced. It's time. Check your filters. Your furnace shouldn't have to fight through a dust blanket thicker than grandma's fruitcake. Don't we all know that? Reverse your ceilings fans. Yes, they go both ways, like a confused mall Santa on a break. Flip them to push that warm air down. All right, inspect your weather stripping. I need to do this. If your front door leaks more cold air than your teenager leaks attitude, it's time to replace it. Fire prevention, we all know, and fear of that. So, all right, let's now talk about fire safety because I know y'all love candles, fireplaces, and space heaters, and leaving stuff plugged in just for a minute, just for a quick minute. Space heaters, keep them at least 3 feet from any cozy blanket, curtain, dogs, especially pugs. Keep them away. Chimneys, if you're lighting a fire for the first time this year, get your chimney clean. Birds build nests up there. Birds do not come with fire insurance. All right, and then candles. We all love candles. I'm notorious for doing this. I know cinnamon apple holiday spice mocha latte candle smells like Christmas heaven, but blow it out before bed. It's decor, not nightlight. Remember that one. Smoke detectors, check your smoke alarms. All right, if it's beeping at 2 a.m., that's not the holiday spirit. That's the battery dying. Dying. Hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio. All right, let's jump back to it. You all know who I'm anyways. So, all right, Christmas tree and decor safety. Now, into the holiday decor, aka that stuff that makes your home sparkle. And try to burn down when you're not careful. Just be careful. Real trees, keep them watered. A dried out Christmas tree is basically a giant festive matchstick. Good thing you got a fake one. Place it away from the heat vents, fireplaces, and radiators. Artificial trees, make sure it says fire resistant on the box. And no, it doesn't mean fireproof. Don't go and try to test it. Don't even try. Lights and electrical stuff. Inspect for frayed wires. If your lights are sparkling and they're trying to send the Morse code, toss them out. Pitch them. It's cheaper to buy new ones than to burn down your house. Don't overload outlets. Power strips are not Olympic athletes. They can't handle everything. Outdoor lightings belong outdoors. Indoor lightings stay inside. They're not interchangeable like leggings and real pants. Just saying. All right, peace of mind, winter checks. All right, if you want to be stress-free for the holidays, which we all do, just go to Florida. Here's your cheat sheet, a peace of mind check. Check so that you're not in the middle of the night and you're calling the ER from a hotel lobby. Just kind of saying. Check your GFCI outlets in the kitchen, bathrooms, and outdoor areas. Test all your carbon monoxide detectors. Winter is the prime time for CO issues. All right. Know where your breaker box is so when the lights go out, you don't stand there like, well, that's unfortunate. Let's light a candle and burn the house down. Clear aways and steps. They get icy and squeaky. Don't let your porch turn into a surprise skating rink for those UPS dudes. Yep. Stake those suckers down. Let's say nothing like the holiday chaos, like watching Olaf cartwheel across the neighborhood. Safety with outdoor lights and decor. Outdoor lights are magical, but they're also the #1 cause for ladder-related regrets. Get that company that now comes around and does it. Use outdoor rated extension cords. Regular cords can freeze and crack. Always plug into a GFC outlet. Do not run cords under rugs or doors. Just saying. And for the love of Santa's cookies, when you're on the ladder, have someone spot you. Preferably not Mo the pug. He's supportive, but he's just useless when it comes to all that. So, there you go. Winter and Christmas safety tips to keep your home holly and jolly, cozy, and flame-free. If you need help finding a home with a perfect fireplace, a big front window for your Christmas tree, or even outlets that your Clark Griswold light show display, you know who to call. And it's not Ghostbusters. It's Annette Marble. And hey, before you run out the door, put those outdoor lights up. Drop a comment below. Any comment on this video is awesome, and it helps supports my channel, and I so appreciate it. Oh. And thinking about making the move in 2026, shoot me a call, send me a text, send me an email, whatever. Just jump in. Good luck, my friends. Happy holidays. Stay warm, stay safe, and may this season be filled with peace, joy, and no emergency plumber visits at all. At all. And as always, we're in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it pretty real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.